everybody, Austin Dunham back again with another vlog for you guys on the cruise. It is our second day and I just got done eating breakfast, the best corned beef hash I'll ever taste. And right now we have arrived at Nassau, Bahamas. It is beautiful. Look at that, look at those waters. And yeah, so today we spent our full day here at the Bahamas, and then tomorrow, our third day, we'll hit Castaway Cay, which is a private Disney island. At Nassau, Bahamas, at the beach. This beach is awesome. And what we've been doing, we've been visiting the little shops they have. They have like this little flea market place. And right now we're at the beach and I just got this awesome strawberry smoothie. Pretty good. And that's my little sister over there taking pictures. But yeah, we're gonna stay here for a while. Probably get some more goods and stuff. Then we'll get back on the ship and finish out the rest of the day. I'm not sure if you heard of this place called Senior Frogs, but it's like this really popular bar place. Now the drinking age here I think is like 18, but since I'm kind of part of a military establishment, I gotta follow code, so I'm still not gonna drink. This is right here a version, no alcohol smoothie. Look everybody, they're coconut trees. You see those green coconuts? It's pretty cool. Coconut tree. These are little food places. And our ship is all the way down there. That's gonna be a walk back. Woo. Bahamas Goombay Punch. It's like a pineapple soda. So good. Pour it on ice.
So good.
Alright, so back in the room from the Bahamas, back on the ship, and guess what I got? Room service. Yes, the Disney Cruise Lines, they have free room service available to everybody. And so, let's see what I got. I got a gourmet hot dog, fries, ketchup, mustard, and whatever that is. And also, I got a Mickey Mouse bar. Now, this thing is really, really good, and you can only get it through room service. So if you're ever on a Disney cruise, make sure to order a Mickey bar, right? Because they're really good. You won't regret it. Show the people what you got.
Chicken wrap, ham panini, ham and cheese panini.
All right, so I just got done watching The Jungle Book, and since I'm on a Disney cruise, they show Disney movies, right? So last night I saw Captain America. Let me tell you, that was awesome. And I just got done watching The Jungle Book now. That was also a good movie. And right now we're going to get ready for dinner. And tonight will be the fireworks show. And Disney is one of the only cruise ships to do fireworks at sea, so stay tuned.